Good morning. I am Rahana, studying in class 8 from Sunam Moral School. My research regarding on the topic effect of peroxidase level, temperature and rancidity on used oil after heating. You may ask, why did I choose oil particularly? There's a true story behind it. Recently, me and my family went to a fast food shop nearby. There we ate some samosas, bhajis and pakoras. The next day, these foods were the cause of food poisoning for my sister. Soon she was hospitalized. This disturbed me a lot, and a set of questions arose in my mind. How did it start? Was there any problem with the vegetable or the dough? When I inquired the shop, I came to know that the vegetables and the dough are being freshly prepared every day. Then what's left? The oil, the reused oil. Did the oil get spoiled? These questions made me curious and also made my research interesting to do further. I went to my local fast food shops nearby. I collected 4 samples and categorized them as fried oil from home, fried oils from shop, sealed company oil, fresh groundnut oil from home. I took these 4 samples to the lab and executed a peroxide value test. This is how it was done. Each oil samples in the measure of 5 ml was mixed with hydrogen peroxide and glycol, then heated in water at 60 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. The sealed company oil and the fresh groundnut oil from home turned into a brown color. That represents active enzymes. The fried oil from home and the fried oil from shop, that is the used oil, had no changes in it. That means enzyme destroys. Now, for the peroxide value determination test, 5 grams of oil was mixed with acetic acid along with chloroform followed by Ki solution. This was kept in the dark for 5 minutes and the mixture was titrated with sodium thiosulfate using starch as an indicator to find my peroxide value. Now, to check the rancidity, oil was observed that the physical changes like color, smell and foaming were noted. The result observed from the test was heating oils at high temperature can destroy the peroxide enzymes. Peroxide value increases with the repeated use of oils, is indicating oxidation. Third, used oil shows signs of rancidity like foul smell and sticky texture. In the case study, it's clearly stated that reused oil contain harmful compounds like aldehydes and peroxides, which changes the smell and taste and reduce the nutritional value of the food. So, long-term consumption of rancid or repeated heated oils can cause stomach ache and a high risk of heart disease. By this, we can learn that how storage affects the freshness of the oil. The Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, FSSAI, has certain regulations and guidelines for the food handlers and also for the common people. We should always use fresh oil for cooking and avoid repeated heatings. We should not mix fresh oil with the used oil as it accelerates oxidation. We should store the oil in cooler and dark place so the oil may remain fresh for longer time. And we should avoid storing oils in warm places like near stoves or in direct sunlight which the oil may get spoiled up quickly. We should store oil in a clean, airtight container. And they also advise us to create some public awareness on health hazards in compounds and in reused oil. This project creates a larger impact on people's health and nutrition. I want to raise awareness first to my family, my friends, and my fellow beings around. And this is my first OMIAT NSF Science Fair. I step into it with pride and purpose. I was inspired by my sister who won first prize in the life science category last year. Watching her succeed made me even curious and determined to make my own research, something practical, meaningful, useful for building a healthier everyday lifestyle. I hope to join hands with my sister to take this research further and create a greater awareness for the next Gen Alpha generation. Together, I believe we can make real difference. Thank you.